I feel like crying. I'm super emotional right now because I feel like I should start doing the DIY Christmas videos. Look at the snowball. How pretty. So they also have like the plain wreaths, as you guys can see here, and they also have different wreaths with different flowers on it. And one of these I saw over here, the green ones, you can also DIY yourself. It's with the eucalyptus leaves and the ribbon. It's pretty cool. And this is around $60. It's pretty plain, but you can always DIY it with all those cute flowers. And then they have this as well. Oh my god, there's so many wreaths. The traditional ones with the cranberries. They have the ones with the snow. Oh my gosh, look at this. So as you guys can see, we have different like red roses, and they have like snowflakes, and they have the plain ones. They have with different cranberries in it. So many choices out here, and that's my favorite thing. I love flowers. Even if they're fake flowers, I'll still go for it. This is so cute. Oh my god, look at that. That's a furry reindeer. Oh, that's cute. These are so pretty. It says, "Oh, Holy Night." Wow, I love this. So cute. So these are with the initials. There you go, that's for the Starbucks lovers like me. I'm gonna get this cute stuff, definitely, yeah. And we also have tacos ornaments, we have the pizza ornaments, the copper glasses, some mocha latte.